Hi there, welcome to our channel. We are Hannah Ray Help. We fix electronics and appliances. Today we are showing you how to fix error message 5100 on a Canon Printer Pixma MX512. Okay Ray, when I power on the printer, I get an error code 5100 on the view screen. So now I'm going to power it on and to show it to you guys what it is on the view screen here. So right at first it sets, look like it's okay, but then you see that big noise. I don't know what it is, and there you go. That's the error code, and it's a turn off power and then back again. I did it, but the problem still persists. It says see the manual, but I don't have the manual, so here you go.
Well, Hannah, usually there's something in the printer when this happens. Let's have a look. Wow, rolls of paper. Where did they come from?
Well, Ray, because I got this printer from a friend, and I thought, okay, if he gives this to me, I thought he gives it to me in a working condition. I never check it, so.
Well, his children must have been playing with it before you got it.
Well,
let's see what she does now.
But what, Ray? Okay, what if that's not the case?
Well, there are a couple other things that could go wrong, like the ink tank might not be seated properly, paper could be jammed, printer might need to be reset, the encoder strip on the bottom of the ink cartridge may need to be cleaned. There's a number of things that could go wrong to make this exact same error code, but it's okay.
So in summary, just the error code 5100 stands for all these problems.
Yes.
So it's not really mechanical problems.
It is mechanical, but it shows up as electronic.
Okay. So if we clean the ink tank, so is it the ink tank that you're talking about?
Yeah, those are the ink cartridges that I'm talking about.
Okay.
Sometimes the little strip on the bottom that makes connection to the printer gets hard ink on it, and you have to clean it off so it'll function properly.
Okay, so paper jam, I know how to fix that. It's no problem. So that's all there is to it?
That's all there is to it.
So the 5100 stands for all that problems?
All of these little problems, yes.
Either one, I mean.
Oh yes.
Okay.
Either one.
Wow, look like it's working. Oh my God, Well, when I heard that noise, I was scared, so I did not want to touch anything. So that's why I brought it over to you.
Well, I'm glad I could help.
Well, looks like it's working.
It is.
No problem. Okay, so it looks like it's powered off. Okay, too. Alright. Okay, so I will bring it home and start using it.